Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand how to create sparklines in Power BI. So for this, we will go on the canvas of Power BI. I have already created a table which consists of subcategories, sum of sales and sum of profit. Let's activate the focus mode. Now to create the sparklines, click here and add a sparkline. Normally in case of sparkline, for x-axis we select the date. So activate from here the order date. Create. And you can see the sparklines are ready. Now click here in the order date. The date type has been classified as text. Change this to date. Press yes. It will create the hierarchies. Now this sparkline we want according to the year. So just click here. So this sparkline is according to the year. Quarter, month, day. So this is all about how to create sparklines in Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, you can refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share the videos on Power BI. You can also join me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Link is given in the description box.